NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, the farthest human-made object from Earth, has captured the imagination of people across the globe for nearly 5 decades. Since its launch, it has been sending back invaluable information from the outer solar system and, eventually, the realm of interstellar space. Each signal, though faint and delayed by vast distance, has deepened our knowledge of the cosmos and reminded us of the power of human curiosity. Yet, in recent years, Voyager 1 has begun transmitting signals that appear strange and difficult to interpret. To some scientists, these anomalies are the predictable result of aging instruments operating billions of kilometers away from home. To others, they raise tantalizing questions. Could these signals point to unknown cosmic phenomena? Or even contact with something beyond our imagination? The urge to explore the unknown is as old as humanity itself. Just as ancient voyagers once set sail across uncharted seas, modern science has sent probes to explore the great ocean of space. In the 1970s, this spirit gave birth to the Pioneer and Voyager missions. On August 20, 1977, Voyager 2 was launched, followed closely by Voyager 1 on September 5. Although Voyager 2 left first, Voyager 1's faster trajectory enabled it to quickly overtake its twin by December of that same year. From that point onward, Voyager 1 held the lead and became our most distant messenger. Each spacecraft weighed about 721 kilograms, roughly the size of a small car, and was designed to endure conditions harsher than anything encountered before. Their journeys would transform not just science, but how humanity perceives its place in the universe. The first great triumphs came as Voyager 1 approached Jupiter in 1979. For 100 hours, the spacecraft carefully observed the gas giant, compiling over 3,700 images into a time-lapse sequence that revealed the planet's dynamic storms, belts, and swirling Great Red Spot. More than just a distant image, this was a living portrait of a world in motion. Voyager also uncovered a faint ring around Jupiter, an astonishing discovery at the time, and identified 2 new moons. The probe's cameras caught something even more dramatic: active volcanoes erupting on Io. These were unlike any eruptions on Earth. Some were so powerful that their plumes stretched hundreds of kilometers above the surface, reshaping the moon's terrain in real time. This discovery overturned the long-standing belief that small moons must be geologically dead. In 1980, Voyager 1 made its flyby of Saturn. The spacecraft revealed the intricate structure of Saturn's rings in astonishing detail, capturing features sculpted by the gravitational influence of moons. It discovered 4 additional moons: Mimas, Enceladus, Tethys, and Rhea, each with its own mysteries. Enceladus, for instance, was later found to harbor geysers of water ice, making it one of the most promising places to search for extraterrestrial life. Voyager's images of Saturn were both scientific treasures and cultural icons, showing a world of breathtaking beauty and complexity. Perhaps Voyager 1's most profound gift came not from a planet, but from a glance backward. On February 14, 1990, from nearly 6 billion kilometers away, it turned its camera toward Earth. Against the vast darkness, Earth appeared as a pale blue dot, no larger than a single pixel. Astronomer Carl Sagan reflected on this image, reminding humanity that every war, every triumph, every civilization in history had taken place on that fragile speck. The pale blue dot remains one of the most powerful symbols of unity and humility in human history. Meanwhile, Voyager 2 followed a different but equally historic path. It remains the only spacecraft to have visited both Uranus and Neptune. At Uranus, it revealed a tilted magnetic field and strange atmospheric features. At Neptune, it recorded the fastest winds in the solar system, racing at over 2,100 km per hour. Voyager 2 also examined Triton, Neptune's largest moon, where it observed geysers of nitrogen erupting into space despite surface temperatures colder than -230 degrees Celsius. These discoveries proved that even the most distant reaches of the solar system were not frozen and lifeless, but dynamic and surprising. The endurance of the Voyager probes is a story of extraordinary engineering. Designed in the 1970s, they relied on technology that now seems primitive, yet their resilience has outlasted expectations many times over. Each carries a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, RTG, powered by the heat from decaying plutonium, allowing them to operate far from the sun where solar panels are useless. Their slow spin stabilized their cameras and instruments, while careful management of power allowed NASA engineers to shut down non-essential systems and extend the probe's lives well beyond their intended mission. Navigation was another marvel. Both probes relied on gravitational assists, or slingshot, maneuvers, to accelerate and redirect their paths. By borrowing momentum from Jupiter and Saturn, they were able to travel farther and faster than would have been possible with rocket fuel alone. These maneuvers required calculations of extraordinary precision. Errors of even a fraction could have sent the probes off course forever. Yet the technique worked perfectly, propelling Voyager 1 and 2 into history. On August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 crossed a boundary no spacecraft had crossed before, the heliopause. This is the edge of the heliosphere, the bubble of charged particles created by the Sun. Beyond lies interstellar space, filled not with emptiness but with plasma, radiation, and magnetic fields originating from the galaxy itself. Voyager 1's instruments detected the transition, capturing the moment humanity truly became an interstellar species. It measured the termination shock, where solar winds slow abruptly, and the turbulent helios heave beyond. These findings reshaped scientists' understanding of how the Sun interacts with its galactic environment. The Voyagers also carried something profoundly human, the Golden Record. Conceived by Carl Sagan and his team, it contains greetings in 55 languages, music from across cultures, and natural sounds of Earth, thunder, rain, waves, laughter, birds, and even whale songs. It also includes images of life on Earth and a map showing the location of our solar system. This record was humanity's first deliberate message to the stars, a gesture of hope that somewhere, someday, another intelligence might find it. Even today, decades after launch, the Voyagers continue to send back data. Their instruments study cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and interstellar particles, providing information about regions of space that were once purely theoretical. They have detected cosmic rays traveling near the speed of light, likely originating from distant supernovae and star-forming regions. They have also measured how the interstellar medium interacts with the solar wind, revealing the complex boundaries of our Sun's influence. But beyond the science, the cultural impact of Voyager is profound. The pale blue dot has inspired artists, poets, filmmakers, and activists. It is a reminder of Earth's fragility and the shared destiny of its inhabitants. The missions have shown that exploration is not only about discovery but also about perspective. Voyager 1 and 2 have turned distant, unknown worlds into places of wonder, while also reminding humanity of its tiny but significant place in the universe. Now, as Voyager 1's unusual signals spark speculation, scientists and the public alike wonder what they mean. Are they artifacts of aging hardware billions of kilometers from Earth? Or could they hint at something we have yet to understand? Regardless of the answer, the very mystery keeps the spirit of exploration alive. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 stand as testaments to what humans can accomplish when driven by curiosity, ingenuity, and courage. They are not just spacecraft, they are ambassadors of Earth, carrying our story into the cosmos. Long after their instruments fall silent, they will continue to drift through interstellar space, silent messengers of a species that once reached for the stars.